Welcome in, Renegades. Happy New Year. And it's been a while. I took a little bit of time off. I've just been working and enjoying my vacation. I hope you guys had a great holiday season. And I hope you're ready for what's about to happen because it's getting ready to crack off right now. Crypto is getting ready for the biggest influx of liquidity that we've ever seen. And there's a few projects that I'm watching outside of ICP. There's a few of them. I'm still watching Algorand a little bit. I don't think it's going to do as well as ICP this run, but I think Algorand was my biggest gainer of the last bull run. I don't think it'll be my biggest gainer of this run. But then I'm watching meme coins. Now, I've been doing a lot of research while I've been gone. And meme coins are something that, I never really believed in meme coins a lot. I came around with Ghost Token, and then I kind of fell in love with meme coins with EXE. I was telling you guys about that crypto at about a $1 million market cap or somewhere under that. It's somewhere like $9 million market cap right now. So I just want to, before we get started, we're going to talk about 4 cryptos on the internet computer today. I'm going to be doing videos going forward after work Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday now. I think the ones on Monday and Wednesday are going to be 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, so 1 hour after we normally do. But guys, these 4 cryptos we're going to be talking about today. So one of them is Renegade. And as you know, June of last year, we have been working on NFTs. So all of my holders that bought NFTs received a fat airdrop of Renegade tokens and more NFTs as well. So we decided we were going to build a game. It's been a long road. We either had developers or we had the money, and we never had developers and the money at the same time. And so basically this project got scooped up right away by pump and dumpers, right? We have the people that are loyal to Renegade. So somebody, there's a lot of people that believe in it, but it seems to be this quick pump and dump with people. And I just want to encourage people to maybe hold it a little bit longer, because buy the rumor, sell the news. You don't want to do that in one day. But anyway, we finally got it all figured out. So this is what's going to happen. We got denied for this grant because of certain things that we need to do with the game. So what we're going to do is fix everything that needs to be fixed. There's a little bit of a latency issue. There's a couple technical things that we need to get, kind of fine powdered, ground down, and just, come back with a better thing. So what we're going to do is have the developer build the play to earn function, maybe even the NFT integration. I don't know, maybe just the play to earn. I'll see if I can't, get the developer to build the NFT function, so we have value for our NFT holders to play the game. It'll be a lot funner. And then we're going to build the game out, hopefully get that $5,000 grant, start building more like token pools and stuff. But there's other tokens like McDonald's. So we need a native stable coin. We had BTAL, right? So we need a native stable coin on ICP. What up, Damien? Happy New Year, John. Tom, what's up, dude? 23K or something. Yeah, so liquidity is a problem right now, but we're just at the beginning. So what I would recommend, if you're smart, you're at least going to get like 5 million Renegade tokens, while the market cap is at like $8,000 right now. What I would do is at least get a little bag. You should get a trading bag because it pumps all the time. Not financial advice or anything, but man, I would definitely scoop up a long-term bag, because these pumps are going to happen, but we've been going strong, and we've seen this happen 4 or 5 times already, and we keep going and holding that support. But McDonald's, like I was saying, with stable coins, what we need to do is basically have a native stablecoin. We had that with BTAL, Taller DAO, and then they had a pretty cool project, and then they just kind of rugged it out. There was this cool little, I think it was like a staking protocol that they had. It was just pretty interesting, and they just quit. You know, District did the same, and then they came back, right? So what we need is something like MIC-USD. And a meme culture, meme-fi, you know, kind of going after like SHIB a little bit. I think that's a very brilliant thing. So I'm watching McDoms right now. So what we're going to do, we're going to go into this. I just want to see how you guys are doing. Doms is the OG. Scott Tardio. Happy New Year, my guy. James, what's up, man? Just topped up my 8-year Neuron with an additional 480 ICP, 1,570 locked non-dissolving. So you're getting massive ICP, 4.27 ICP weekly. That's bad. That's really, really badass, man, because that's only 1,500 ICP. And you're getting like, you know, right now you're getting like $50 a week off of that. So that adds up too. That's $200 a month in passive income. And I'm going to make a staking video again pretty soon. We haven't done one in 6 months or more. So we're going to go over that again. There's been a lot that's changed on the NNS. I'm going to make an update video on that, but let's get into some news. I'm going to show you why meme coins, and then we're going to look at some meme coins and see what they've done on the internet computer. Guys, get ready. This year, I'm going to make a lot of money. I've been struggling for the, you know, past couple of years, and it like I'm already working a lot more, doing good things, but I'm going to become rich, or at least good, well off, let's just say. But look at this. Meme coins take top spot for crypto investor interest in 2024. And this is at the end of 2024. So this is a recap, guys. Meme coins are blowing up. We've seen the Solana meme coins. We've seen the base meme coins. And now we're seeing the ICP meme coins start to really pop off. And I'm just going to show you a little bit what I'm talking about. This is EXE. This is the only meme coin with an operating system directly on blockchain. But as you see, look at this price action. I mean, you know, we get these long-term run-ups, and then, you know, these cool-offs. And this is normal in meme coin culture. We see that, and you scoop up meme coins when they do go down to those support levels that they had before. So EXE is doing big things. And well, why? Why did this really pump up? Look at that volume compared to any volume that we've ever seen with EXE. And what, did it go to a new all-time high? It looks like possibly. Not all-time high, but I mean, it started to crack up there. Let's see, that's a massive volume too. So after launch, this is the highest the EXE has ever been, and that volume looks beautiful. And we haven't seen a big sell-off for it either. So what I'm seeing is a massive cup and handle, guys. Let's see if I can draw on this chart here. So massive cup and handle, and we'll come do some TA later, but I want to show you why EXE is cracking off. Where is this thing I had here? Oh, right here. So this is why, Bill. So as you guys know, Bob is a mining platform on the internet computer that also launches meme coins too. Well, Bill, you know, is a platform that burns EXE. So you basically earn Bill tokens by burning EXE. And there's almost 2,300 miners in there right now. There's been 91 blocks, 140 transactions. So, and then there's going to be a halving in 17,408 blocks. Takes about 454.6 seconds. And the reward is 600 Bill. So this is pretty interesting to see. You know, if you guys want to come check it out, I'll link this in the chat. You guys can come over here and see what it's all about. It's pretty cool stuff they got going on over here. Thanks for joining me, guys. I know I've been gone for a while, but I just kind of wanted to come back after the new year. Things weren't really doing that great in crypto, and I really needed some time off because I've been working really hard. But yeah, we'll come do some TA on them cryptos. But again, cycles burnt. And this is one of, the reasons is stuff like Bill is burning EXE, which in turn, in theory, could possibly burn cycles, in theory, because of, it's all reverse gas fees. So all of this behind the scenes, they have to use cycles, to do this, have this running. So in theory, they're also burning ICP. So there we go. We have an 8,870% year-over-year growth of the cycles burnt network revenues. So that means when the cycles are being burnt, that means there's more activity on the internet computer. And when there's more activity on the internet computer, there's more chance for potential growth for ecosystem projects, for the ICP token, and for, network usage. All of that is very, very critical to the future of this platform, and we're contributing to it. We're going to show you here soon, and I'm going to show you what happened with Renegade token. Guys, we need to combat this, and I've already worked on a plan to try to combat this, but we'll talk about that later. You'll know what I'm talking about. So I just want to talk about World Computer Day. So we did a video a while ago talking about the World Computer, and how people were actually trying to, copy it years later, saying, well, we need to build a world computer. This is a very good idea that Dominic Williams had, in 2016 or whatever, and he built it out. And so now, we need to celebrate the internet computer because it has accomplished what people years later are now starting to talk about accomplishing. And this is why the internet computer is just ahead of its time. And that's why I got in early on this crypto and a lot of these ecosystem projects. Because if money starts flowing into these, then the big money starts coming in. So what we need to do is lay a foundation, and show people that we have good projects, and then the big money will come in. But World Computer Day is taking place at Web3 Hub Davos venue in collaboration with CV Labs. Explore insights from industry leaders on AI, Web3, and the role of policy in shaping, supporting, and regulating these transformative technologies during one of the most pivotal weeks in global affairs. So they got a Luma here. If you're going to be in Davos, then, go ahead. But just to let you know, there's going to be a World Computer Day. Chain fusion, baby. Let's go. It's only possible on the internet computer, baby. So I want to talk a second before we go to our next news. I'm not going to make this a super long video. I'm getting ready to go to FCC in February. So I think it's like February 23rd to March 2nd is FCC, and I'm trying to get the group together to come. I'm going to try to work with some contacts that I have to promote Renegade at FCC, guys. So I'm telling you, I know Renegade, we're going to look at the chart. It's really messed up. Someone put liquidity. I made some posts. It went up 100%. Someone put some liquidity, pumped it up 400%, and then dumped it back down. But guess what? Even with more bad volume or sell volume, we're sitting at a floor double the price that we were before they bought in. So they can try to ruin the project or make it look bad or whatever. But so we're paying a dev right now. I already gave some tokens. So we're doing some cool stuff. But you guys get ready for FCC. It's on February 23rd. A lot of you guys are my friends on the channel, so if you're watching, please come to FCC, guys. Let's only for one weekend. I'm not saying for the whole time, but let's pick a weekend. Let me look at the calendar. February 23rd. So that's a Sunday. So what I would say is, the last weekend wraps it up, though. I think the first part of it's the best, right? That's hard. I'd probably want to go the first and the second. But yeah, I wish they would have done it from the 21st. So let's see, the 23rd. Why would they start it on a Sunday? Maybe it is. Hold on, let me look. It might be on that Saturday. CC dates. I swear it was the 23rd, though. Oh, no. What the heck? I guess I got bad information. It's June 30th to July 3rd. How did I? Denver. Hold on. At Denver. Yeah, February 23rd to March 2nd. That's what I thought. At Denver 2025. So that's a weird date, guys. I don't know why they would start that on a Sunday, but yeah, I think probably, and then it says March 2nd. Such a weird. Okay, yeah, I think I'll probably go the first and the second. Let's see. The first, yeah, is a Saturday. So February 1st and February 2nd would probably be the best days to go. Unless you can go during the week, but that's such a weird time. I can't get time off right now, but all right, let's go into some news and then we're going to look at the charts. I want to hurry and move to the charts. So let's see. We have one more thing. ICP's competitors are not Ethereum, Solana, Near, etc. We are a world computer, guys, right? So world computer means that we're integrating with all cryptos. So they're not our competitors. They could technically be our sister networks. ICP's competitors are Big Tech Cloud, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Now that AI is taking big clouds' biggest software development advantages to zero, ICP's advantages will mean ICP competes for much larger market share. So this is what we're going for, guys. We're going for the global infrastructure for cloud storage, for blockchain storage, for all of that kind of stuff. So now let's go look at these tokens. We saw EXE. We got a cup and handle here. So we could really see EXE. Oops. We could really see EXE start to move up to these really high levels again and actually come up, you know, as a candle. I'm not saying this is going to happen, but this is what it looks like in the charts is going to happen. You know, can I do? Can't do that on here. Oh, you can do that on here. Sweet, dude. I like this deck screener on here. It's pretty nifty. It actually works. So $1.24 is going to be nice resistance, and this cup and handle could actually bring, you know, these candles instead of just a wick up here. And seeing this big wick come up and touch here, it kind of, you know, get rejected here. We could see, you know, even a move down to about 93 cents and then a move way back up to the upside. We still have $82,000 in volume in the last 24 hours. 130,000 total value locked on this token. I am very, very, very bullish on EXE. Period. Now let's go in to look at McDonald's. I might have some news on McDonald's in a little bit. They're doing some very, very cool stuff. And this token's going to skyrocket, guys, in my opinion. Not financial advice, but I think you definitely should be watching McDonald's. This crypto is absolutely taking the eco by storm, just like Clown did. But this has a long-term aspect of things that they are building, right? So yes, it's down 4% today, but we're going to look at Renegade. These are good opportunities to buy. Right, EXE is going up. You know, this is a double top, and I did tell you, you know, that this looks like we're going to continue to go to the upside with the news and everything. We were at like 1234 when I told you last, and you know, we didn't have no big moves to the moon, but I was telling you that's a good time to accumulate and get your bags of McDonald's. We had this double top that brought us right back down to support. And then as you see, that support was able to hold, and McDonald's is moving to the upside. You know, and the good thing is this top is higher than this top, so it is an upward trend. We're still seeing this upward trend. We're seeing higher highs, higher lows, you know, higher highs here, higher lows here, and then a move to the upside. So we have about $2,000 in the last 24 hours in volume, which just means that, you know, the market is cooling down because you have to spend more ICP. It costs more for an ICP now than it did back over here at like when the ICP was at $10. So this is a great opportunity to scoop up a quick bag of McDonald's. These are meme coins, guys. And what do they say about meme coins? Meme coins take top spot for crypto investor interest in 2024. And we're going to look at 2025. But let's just go look at crypto bubbles real quick. Okay, I just want to show you, you know, if we just look, Pengu right here, meme coin, biggest bubble on here, right? You know, in most days, if we look at the week, okay, let's look for meme coins on the week. Pepe, Bonk. Let's look on the month. Fart coin. There, I mean, there's my point exactly. Fart coin up 476%, just like Renegade did in one day, actually, not on a month. But fart coin, you feel me? So whatever this is, another meme coin, like an anime meme coin. Let's just look at year. Let's just look at the year, guys. Okay, with the biggest gainer, it looks like. No, SPX, whatever that is. But with one of the biggest gainers, meme coin. Pepe, one of the biggest gainers, meme coin. Floki, one of the biggest gainers, meme coin. Bonk, one of the biggest gainers. Shib, where's Dogecoin? Another one. All of them, guys. Meme coins, and I'm showing you the ones right now on the internet computer that are undervalued. Let's look what this market cap is. What is the market cap right now? This market cap is only 133,000. So it's a steal right now. Could do a massive pump, guys. We could see this thing really start to move. Let's see how it's moved before compared to where it's moving right this very second. And just look at this big move. And all we need to see is more volume come in. When that big volume comes in, more people want to trade it. You know, so this is definitely one I'm watching. Definitely one I'm watching. So we're watching ICP, we're watching EXE, we're watching McDonald's, and we're watching Renegade, right? Renegade. I mean, it pumps 400%. Whoa. Come on, ICPSWAP. And it's up a little bit now. People are scooping up a little bit, but we got nice volume here, 1.92 thousand. But I'm going to show you. Look at this. And I'm going to show you exactly what happened. But the good thing, so the very good thing about this, look at the volume here. I want you to take notice of this because I'm a technical guy, right? So I'm like, well, what's going on here? This amount of volume brought the price from way down here at 3.6 all the way up to, it lost a zero, so it almost 10x from right here in one candle. It almost 10x, almost lost it, almost. And then look at that volume. It didn't take that much volume. And then this sell off right here, which we did really well. And then somebody removed liquidity right here. They put in liquidity like over here, and then took out, you know, liquidity when it didn't move from this point. I don't know why you would do that in one day. But someone did that, and look how much, and then sold off at the same time. There was a bunch of sell orders. So somebody just manipulated this, but look how much higher we are right now than where we started. And there was more liquidity coming out because of my champion holders, guys. When we can outhold these guys, and I already have another tactic behind the scenes that's going to deter this behavior, which it still moves it up. So if you guys are buying down here, you know, this whole time, or if you're buying where it's at right now, we can hold the floor. We can take the floor from whoever's doing this, and, you know, taking the opportunity before we even get it, guys, because we're building something cool. We just need to combat this, and I'm doing my part. So if you could do your part, scoop up some Renegade, you know, while it's at these low prices. We're at what, an $8,000 to $9,000 market cap right now. We were just at, oh, we're down to $6,000. So it's a $6,000 market cap now. And yeah, so it's a great opportunity to get in. We're building some cool stuff. We got our NFTs. But let's go to ICP now. What is ICP doing? Look at this. So ICP dumps the same way, except, you know, it doesn't take as much to dump us on Renegade yet, but we're going to build the floor. We're going to add liquidity. We're going to do everything that it does take to build this, you know, stuff. But I need you guys' help to hold this floor, guys. You know, I'm not telling you to buy, but if you want to support, that's the way to do it right now. definitely. But ICP is reaching this very critical level of support. This is also a very psychological level, somewhere around that $13 level. And I could actually just put it up right here for that. You know, this 13-ish dollar level is going to be our massive resistance, but ICP is getting ready to crack. So one thing I want to tell you, Renegade pumps really quickly too. So I'm just going to show you that when ICP cracks, Renegade cracks too. So ICP started really pumping, Renegade started really pumping. And so, you know, this is part of crypto, is grabbing the bags when they go down there. So these things are going to move. I think Renegade could really see a new all-time high. We could even go all the way back. See, Renegade's been here for a minute. We ain't going nowhere. But our all-time high was way before this. Before it was even listed on Dex Screener, our all-time high was right up here. So I think if everybody supports, we could really see Renegade lose at least another 0 to right up here. So guys, scoop up your bags if you're gonna. I'd get some McDonald's. I would get all these. You don't have to do anything. Like, I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just trying to tell you what I really, if I didn't think this was going to pump, I didn't talk about it for 6 months because I didn't know what was going on. And now I do. And guys, I'm just telling you, like, these little fudders, these little pump and dumpers, look at this blip. This is a blip, guys. This is no volume. This is $2,000 in volume. That's nothing. If we overwhelm them with volume and people just start buying, there will be no way to stop us from getting up here, just like ICP. So with ICP, we're going to go look way out. It's about to crack off. Once this level breaks here, because we're actually going to take this all the way up to here. I would say right there. So this falling wedge, and then I'd definitely do this. Look at that, beautifully. So once we crack this level at, I would say, $15 for the very, very long term, we got this beautiful, beautiful falling wedge pattern here. And we could really see ICP start cracking to the moon and getting spammed by TradingView. But yeah, so this could take us to the top of the wedge. I think this is going to be the thing we see first in January. We're probably going to see it right between here. And this is just short term. This is going to happen soon. That's what I'm saying. I would get EXE now. I would get McDonald's now. I would be getting Renegade now if you were going to do any of those things. If that's what you see fit, I'm telling you. All I can do is tell you the time that I would get in. And now is that time for the next move, right? You know, we saw the reversals. We've seen, you know, ICP kind of trade in this range for a long time on the weekly, and we're at this critical level. We touched support right here on the weekly RSI. It's getting ready to crack off. If we break out of this $14.44 on the weekly, we're going to get pulled first up to about $21 to $23. We're going to hit there for a little while until the next big move up to this $30. And then by summer, I say we're probably going to move up to this 30, come back down and test resistance, probably somewhere around this $26. Yes, man. Thank you, James. Bro, good looking out. But yeah, we're definitely going to see some massive pumps to these massive levels here. I'm really seeing a long-term bullish movement in ICP, and we have this, you know, cup and handle right here on the weekly that has not seen it's going to bring it right back up to this $14, $50 area. And this is going to also intersect with this downward trending resistance line all the way back for over 3 years. This is a 3-year falling wedge. And then we also have a 6-month cup and handle. So guys, it's getting ready to crack. Like for real. Meme coins aside, it is getting ready to crack it off. And I just want you to be ready, not just with meme coins. Those are more risky. I'm going to tell you that. You know, ICP is the safer bet, but ape $100 into some meme coins. Let's hold the floor. Let's support these projects, McDonald's, Renegade, EXE. Let's get in there and support the people building on the internet computer, and then we'll see, you know, our efforts pay off with our bigger bags of internet computer because we're building some cool stuff. So guys, and then when it comes to the daily, we're seeing a nice cup and handle on this daily as well. Look at that. Beautiful cup and handles on everything. We're seeing cup and handles on EXE. We're seeing cup and handles on ICP on the weekly, on the daily. We're just seeing, and this could bring us back up to that $14-ish area as well. We also, if we get rid of this, we have a falling wedge, I believe. We have a symmetrical triangle. So we have some sort of a symmetrical triangle type deal. This is confusing with that right there. I mean, yeah, that's more of a symmetrical triangle for sure. It's a very weird pattern. Yeah, but I would say whatever way we break out, it does seem like we've entered into an area where ICP is testing this long-term resistance that we're going to break out of. So I'm not 100% sure about that, but I am pretty sure that is a downward trending resistance line. We have an upward trending support line, which is going to intersect right here at about the 11. But I think we're going to crack up before that. I just always have to tell you the bullish scenario. And then if we go to the monthly, this is one we don't look at very often, but I think it's very intuitive that we look at this because we also have a cup and handle on the monthly. So we have what, one on the daily, the weekly, the monthly. How many cup and handles do we need? How many cup and handles does it take to get to the center of a chart pattern? So we got this cup and handle right here as well. You know, these moves are, I think we're really going to go back up and test this. Look at that monthly. Last month we went up and tested that. What was that, in December? Yeah, December. And in January, we've just started. It's only been a few days. So I really think in January, we're going to 1570, I believe. 15 something. That $14.50 to $15, 1570 area ICP. And then let's look at the big numbers on the weekly because we're getting ready to go into the bull market, guys, the big part of the bull market. So I'm really going to be watching this monthly level right here, $113. This is where I'm really looking all the way up to what, 137. So yeah, that $150 area all the way up to this 250. So like 20x from that $10. Guys, ICP is cracking. So thank you. Let's see what you had to say. Appreciate the IC content you push out. Once the price goes up significantly, do you think we will ever return to current price? So that's a very good question, actually. Definitely. So current price. Now let's look at this in terms of, let's say, Ethereum. From bull market to bull market. I think this could be the last opportunity to get in at these prices. This isn't the best opportunity. I told you that a while ago. Okay, this is on the monthly too, so we can get a better overview. So when we start here at this price, right? So 12, 11, 13. So this is kind of like ICP prices right now, right? This is like ICP. Then it went all the way up. This is probably, I'd love to see it go to 1,000, ICP to 1,000. That'd be great. You know, but it moves up here. Did it ever go back down to this $12, $15, $22 level again? Absolutely not. because what happens is liquidity comes in, and the same thing you saw with Renegade token, it gets a new floor price because more people are going to be holding that. So there's nobody selling at these levels, so it can't go down any further. So asking if ICP could go back down to these levels is always possible, but not probable. That's not the way that crypto works. And then if you look, the next floor price was way up here. That's the next floor, right? And I wouldn't say this is the floor yet, but that's a short-term floor. We haven't seen the one for the next bear market yet. We see bear market, bear market, bear market, bear market up here, probably somewhere over here. So we might see 12. We're not going to see under $10 for ICP. It's not probable. It's always possible, but very, very unlikely. The way that crypto moves and works, we've only seen one. It launched in the bull market with manipulation by FTX. So we haven't had a full bear and bull market to give it a fair evaluation in the long-term stats. But if we look at Ethereum, I can say absolutely not. I don't think we're going to be going back to this floor. As you see, look at the difference in the floor. The floor was at $3. Now the floor is sitting right here at $7. And that's the way it's going to keep kind of working as long as, everything goes right with ICP. We're going to see these floors move up and up and up. So that's what I think. That's my evaluation on it from a technical aspect. As liquidity pours in, as we get more liquidity from other chains, as these projects burn cycles, burn ICP, all of these things are going to come into factor that will stabilize the price at higher and higher levels, just like the Bitcoin halving does for Bitcoin. It creates a supply shock 18 months or so after the halving. And that's what burning mechanisms kind of do for proof of stake or proof of useful work, like the internet computer that has a staking mechanism and a reverse gas fee model that are unlike any other models out there in crypto. And so these projects built also like EXE, McDonald's, and Renegade pump when ICP pumps, and they can pump independently when volume comes. So the cool thing is, if you put money in, someone sells off, we can still pump with ICP, but we need to build a floor, guys. Let's get a floor going so nobody can just do that kind of stuff. Let's go. Mirror protocol is moving. Okay. I see. So Damien says it'll never be at this prices again, even in the bear. I think, this $15 level, 13 is probably going to be the support if we ever do go down to this level again, or that 21. One of those is going to be our support. Yeah, 2025. Guys, we're getting ready for the biggest move in crypto, so get ready. I'm just telling you. Yeah, Jason, what up, Muggsy? Good to see you guys, man. So yeah, get your bags. And if you already have your Renegade bags, I'm not saying get more, but at least hold your bags, guys. I can't guarantee you're going to make anything off of Renegade, but if we come together as a community, I'm going to build some cool stuff, and maybe you could be a part of us building some cool stuff and support us in it, and maybe you'll make some money. Who knows? So, all right, guys, that being said, goodbye and good ICP.